This video shows how to buy shares of Tattooed Chef Inc. using the ticker TTCFQ. Tattooed Chef is a U.S. plant-based frozen food company listed on NASDAQ. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After you register, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TTCFQ to find Tattooed Chef Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the stock page for the company. On the stock page, review the short company profile and the price chart to confirm it is the correct security. Check that the ticker shows TTCFQ and the exchange is NASDAQ. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and the platform will request you add funds if your balance is insufficient. After confirmation, your new position will appear in the portfolio where you can monitor it. For the eToro link and more information, check the description below.